Artoonza.
Okay, stop scrolling and smash that like button. Yes, right now. Your finger will thank you later. Today, we're turning glitter, paint, and pure rainbow magic into the fluffiest, most jaw-dropping cotton candy cone you've ever seen. And yes, we brought a tiny vacuum because things are about to get gloriously messy. Ready for the most colorful, sparkly sugar rush adventure of your life? Grab your markers. Let's go!
Aw, so cute.
Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. 6 giant rainbow drops just crash landed on our cotton candy. Pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. The party has officially started. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Grab your brush. It's time to rescue these wild color drops and turn them into the fluffiest, dreamiest cotton candy the world has ever seen. We're swirling, blending, and basically becoming rainbow wizards right now. Every stroke is pure, sugary magic. And honestly, this cotton candy is starting to look so good, we might need a do not eat sign on it. Keep those brushes moving. We're almost there. Smash that like button now. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.